Every car begins with raw materials, primarily steel, extracted from iron ore. Steel is refined and rolled into sheets, forming the backbone of car bodies. Steel and other materials are transported to automotive assembly plants worldwide. Giant presses stamp steel sheets into precise car body panels. Robotic arms weld panels together, creating the car's skeletal frame. The car body is cleaned, coated, and painted in vibrant colors. Engines are assembled with thousands of parts, combining power and precision. Seats, dashboards, and electronics are installed, bringing comfort and technology inside. Wheels, glass, and final components are added before rigorous safety and performance tests. Finally, cars are shipped to dealerships and drive onto roads worldwide.